Mommy, what's inside our body?
What do you mean?
What's inside our body?
Blood.
No, it's bones.
Yeah, my bones and my blood.
No blood inside.
Walang blood?
No, I don't like blood inside.
Your body?
No. What's inside that chan?
Intestines. Pagkain.
And there's pagkain staying in there. How did it get out?
It gets out kapag nagpupo ka.
Oh, hee.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to be a nice kid. Yes. I want to be a nice kid. I want to be a good job.
Gentle, ha? Ito. Grabe, ang sarap ng kain ni Miles. Ano yan? Chocolate?
Yeah.
Ay, kain pa. Ayun. Nasaan mo yung bibig mo? Grabe. Grabe yung face ni Miles. Look at Nay. Ay. Anong binibenta mo?
Candy, fruits, and lemonade.
And lemonade? Magkano?
That's $1
Sige, pabili nga ng isang lemonade.
here.
Sarap pa. Sinong gumawa?
Me?
Ikaw gumawa?
Yeah.
Ano yung me? Ako.
Ako.
Okay.
Now it's closed.
Close na.
Yeah.
Oh, sige, bukas ulit
Now
pipili.
it's open.
Ah, okay.
Out.
Did you have lunch yet?
Yeah. No.
Nagpre-pray. Pray siya.
Amen.
I want to see after very fast
Why?
because I miss after. I want to go to after very fast, and I want you to walk again.
Okay, I'll work.
Right now.
Bye.
Yeah.
Anong ginawa niyo sa school today, Miles?
I read.
Nag-read kayo? Sinong teacher?
Mr. Yan.
Oh, anong book yun?
I tell Mr. Yan I love you because that's why you cook me yummy foods, and also we read the loving book.
Lovely book? Anong book yung binasa niyo?
Why do you love your mom so much?
Yun ang book! Kaya sabi mo,
It was the animal one.
oh, anong animals yun?
There was tigers, there was geese, there was a lot kind of animals, and there's also a lapa doon.
Ano yung lapa?
Bunny.
Oh, yeah. Bunny sa fridge pala yan, ano?
Yeah.
So, ano sabi ni Miss Dayan nung sinabi mong you love your mom? Kasi,
He said yes.
I
And
love you.
he do me later after my friends in the chair, and then he picked me.
Pick you?
Mr. Yan. When he's
Oh.
done picking Cookie with my friends, it was my turn.
It's your turn
Yeah.
to speak. Oh. Love you.
You're the best mom.
You're the best son.
And mommy, I want to tell you something.
Ano?
I love you. You're the best chef. You're the best dancer. You're the best dancing with me. You're the best cooker. You're the best helping me. You are the best letting me have a lot of play dates. You're the best by me and do swimming lessons.
Oh, I love you, baby. Thank you for appreciating it.
You're welcome.
Set, go. So the next that was awesome. So now, open this lower. Good. You're a little bit far. Good. And then push. Push, push. This way. Good. Reach up. I missed, so you can attack me. 1, 2, 3. You got me. Correct.
Ganyan?
Ah?
Oh, ang ganda-ganda ng ngipin ni Mayas. Ngayong 5 years old siya. It's so nice and cute.
And it's not falling off because I'm a big boy.
Kaya nga, sige nga,
E, so.
Okay,
Sash. Nine. You're very. I love you.
Hindi ka naman marinig.
Love you.
Happy Mother's Day!
Mommy, I kiss you.
Huh?
Just do this when I kiss you. No press.
I'm pressing.
I love you. I love you.
Mayas,
Yeah?
sinong love mo? Si Mommy or yung girlfriend mo?
What kind of girlfriend?
I don't know. Sino bang girlfriend?
All my friends at school. Okay. I love Mommy.
Yay!
One noise. And stay there for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Breathe up. Breathe out.
What is this kid's mom?
Picture lang para sa kanya to.
Picture mo na rin siya para sa kanya.
Maya, sino nagbigay ng award?
Teacher!
Ba't ka niya binigyan?
Because I do good job.
Did you like good job?
Yeah.
Ipakita mo. Hawakan mo.